in one variable. And now we'll look into exercise 2.1 problems. So first, what they are asking, solve the following equations. So we have to solve the equations in order to get the value of variable x. What is first one? X minus 2 is equal to 7. So if we want the value of x, then we should be having, like again I already told you, equal to left side is LHS and equal to right side is RHS. So in the LHS we have x minus 2, we are having two terms, x and 2 minus 2, and in the RHS side we have only one integer value, that is 7. So x is equal to, we want the value of x. So if we send minus 2 to the RHS side, it will become plus 2. X is equal to 9. So whatever the value we got, x is 9. So whether this is right or not, how we will make sure is, we'll substitute the value of x in the equation whatever we are given with. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So 7 is equal to 7, which is LHS is equal to RHS. Hence our answer 9 is correct. We'll move on with the next question. Second one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 3. So again same here, if you have to solve the equation, then what do we mean the solving the equation is, we have to find out the value for variable y. What is the value of y? So we should be having y, and the other term whatever we have integer, will be sending it to the RHS side to simplify it. Y is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. Same way you can verify and cross check it. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So third one. These are all simple equations we have in exercise 2.1. Now LHS is 6 and RHS is z plus 2. So here again we want to find the value of z. So here we have another term extra in the RHS side, which is plus 2, that we have to send it to LHS. So 6 minus 2 is equal to z. This is plus 2, and if it comes to the LHS side, the other side, then it will be minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So the value of 4 is equal to z is none other than z is equal to 4. So the value of z is 4. So the fourth problem we'll look into, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. So here now, previously all the three problems we have just the integers, but now in this problem we have got fractions. So whatever I told you, so here x doesn't have any fraction, so we can keep x in the left hand side, whatever it is there, and only 3 by 7 we will be sending it to the right hand side, which will become, like here we have plus 3 by 7, we don't have any negative value here, so it is plus 3 by 7. We will be sending it to the RHS side, which will become minus 3 by 7. X is equal to, and here both the denominators are same. So if both the denominators are same, we can write like 17 minus 3 by 7. So x is equal to 17 minus 3 is 14 by 7. Like this can be divided by 7. So that's why 7 ones are, 7 twos are. So which is equal to 2. X is equal to now 2 is the answer. So fifth problem. If we look into the fifth problem, 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to, like why we are again I am telling you, we just want the value of x. So whatever the other values associated with the x or other terms present other than x, we should be sending it to the other side. In this case we are sending it to the right hand side, because we are keeping all the x terms in the LHS side, and other normal integers, numbers, all will be sending it to the right hand side. 12 by 6. X is equal to 12 is multiplied by 6, so 6 ones are, 6 twos are. So x is equal to 2 is the answer here. So now sixth problem, t by 5 is equal to 10. Here we want whatever the variable, whether it is x or y or t, we are finding out the variable value. That's what is nothing but the solving the equations. So here in some places we have x, in some places we have y, now we have t, and some other places we have z. So whatever the variable it is, we are finding out the variable value. So t is equal to, so as I already told you, in LHS side, if it is a multiplication, then if it goes to the right hand side, it will be divided by. In LHS side, if it is divided by, then it will become multiplication if it goes to the RHS side. So here divided by 5 is there. So if it goes to the RHS side, 5 multiplied by 10. This is not x, this is multiplication. Multiplication. So t is equal to 5 into 10, 50 is the answer. So now we have a 7. The question, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So again, we need to find the value of x here. So 2x is equal to, divided by 3 will become multiplied by 3 if it goes to the other side. So 18 into 3 it will become, which is equal to 54. 2x is equal to 54. So, okay, it will be confusion, I will write it here. 18 into 3, 50. X is equal to 54 by 2. So this is also an even number, so it can be multiplied by 2. 2 times 2 ones. So you know, you can do it here, multiplication 2 into 54. 2's are 4, 1 14, and 2 7's are 14. So you can write like this, 2 27, or 2 ones are here, directly you can multiply. However you are comfortable with, you can divide and you can write it here. X is equal to 27 is the answer. In all the equations, whatever the value we get for the variable, you can substitute in the given equation and try to solve it and prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Then you can verify that your answer is correct. Thank you for watching the video.